Summer's the time of year many of us hold yard sales to get rid of our old junk. But beware, some of those items you sell for $1 or $2 could be worth much more money. So I'm going to show you how to check.
It's great to get rid of old children's clothing and toys.
There you go.
But imagine how you'll feel if you gave away some old Star Wars figures, then found out they were worth $2,700, or even a single action figure worth $1,600. Even some old Nintendo consoles are now selling for $300. So the folks at the auction site Everything But the House say if you suspect something is valuable, have it professionally appraised, or at least check eBay before you set it out in the driveway with a $5 sticker on it. From the Doesn't That Stink file, some of the yard sale steals that sellers give away for just pennies. Everything But the House says it's not just classic toys. 50s housewares, old tin toys, and old oil paintings often sell for a few bucks when they're sometimes worth hundreds. Sell one cheap, you'll say, doesn't that stink? Of course, if we didn't have people unloading valuables cheap at yard sales, what fun would they be?
The key to checking values on eBay, though, is to check sold prices. Anyone can ask the sky when posting a listing. It's what it sells for that counts. You don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery, WPTV News Channel 5.